Times I don't know where we are heading, Mr. Speaker, or we are heading to the dark days of, Mr. Speaker, the Moi era, or the Kano era, or the Jogo era, where, Mr. Speaker, people are not allowed to speak, Mr. Speaker. And because, Mr. Speaker, I don't have enough information, but it's because it is in the social media, Mr. Speaker, that some members, Mr. Speaker, or some leaders in Kisii are posting, Mr. Speaker, over making Kisii to be ungovernable, Mr. Speaker. I don't understand, and we are not going to be able to perform our duties, Mr. Speaker. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I want to understand. And because, Mr. Speaker, I was supported, I don't have to ask anybody to support again, but, Mr. Speaker, I can open this for discussion because I don't understand what is happening. Thank you.
You ask for the secondment.
Oh, I asked for the secondment. I asked the DS to second me.
Honorable Speaker, I also want to take this opportunity to welcome back the honorable members from a short recess, and indeed second the motion by Honorable James Ondari. And I want to say that the drafters of the Constitution of Kenya saw it fit that we have two levels of government. We have the national government and 47 county governments in Kenya. The governor, who is Paul Simbarati, is properly in office. He was elected by the majority of voters in Kisii County, and therefore is performing functions pursuant to the Constitution, and the presence of the police without his information in his office and the threats of investigating him or going to his house to